My name is Nikki, and Gabriel came out and saved the day for us this morning as we had a broken back door, both a storm door and just a regular door, and he was able to fix the door handles and the hinge and get the parts, and it was super easy and fast, and we so appreciate it.
All right, I'm going to replace this part, so I will have to replace the locking mechanism, and this is fixed already, so this works fine. I will have to replace these screws or maybe sand them down a little bit because everything was touching here, here, and there. Everything is done here, so just push it and it should lock. If you pull, you're good. And here we have this. Open it, close it, and we should be good. And you can close it by hand a little bit so that way it will not slam the door.